Hi, welcome to Inside Lab. In this video, we are discussing the paper of Sanskrit vyakaranam. And before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and handwritten form. If you need this, contact us today so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Here the question number, which is 90093688238, and question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3 all are about 40 to 60 words, and question number 4 to 5, which is 100 to 150 words, and question number 6, this is a project based question, and you need to write into according to the almost 250 to 400 words. So actually this is a project based question. You can write in up to 500 words, and we have prepared all the answers according to the chapter and according to the subject, according to the word limits. If you want this, you can contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. And thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.